Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on mortgage payments with Quicken Loans, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by gathering your financial documents.
This includes your income statements, tax returns, and details of your current debts.
Next, visit the Quicken Loans website. Create an account if you don't already have one.
Once logged in, navigate to the mortgage section. Here, you can explore different types of loans available. Use the mortgage calculator provided on the site.
Input your desired loan amount and current interest rates.
Adjust variables like loan term and down payment to see different scenarios. After reviewing the options, consider refinancing your current mortgage.
Quicken Loans often offers competitive rates for refinancing. If you choose to refinance, gather the necessary paperwork again.
Prepare your credit score for evaluation. A higher credit score can lead to better rates.
Consider locking in a rate once you find a favorable one.
This option can protect you from rate fluctuations.
Look into additional programs Quicken Loans may offer.
Programs such as VA loans or FHA loans can provide savings.
If applicable, explore discounts for certain professionals. This includes teachers, healthcare workers, and more. Once you have selected a loan type, start the application process. Fill out all required forms accurately. Be prepared to provide documentation for verification. After submitting your application, monitor its progress through your account. Stay in communication with your Quicken Loans representative. They can provide updates and assist with any questions.
Finally, once approved, review the loan terms carefully before signing.
Make sure to understand all fees associated with your mortgage.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.